Good morning, I'm Tim Carter. I'm a Client Portfolio Manager on npower's Optimisation Desk. Welcome to this morning's market update on Wednesday the 18th of March. So yesterday prices firmed as the UK gas system struggled to balance, not helped by the fact that national grid flow data was a bit erratic, so people were struggling to understand the fundamental dynamics. Today though, prices have nudged up a little bit again with gas system undersupplied. There's also been some revised temperature forecasts for next week, just nudging the temperature down a little bit. And we've also heard that Ukraine and Russia are going to sit down with EU officials on Friday to discuss their ongoing gas supply agreements once the winter contract runs out at the end of this month. Those are the main headlines, but if you'd like any more information, please contact us on the email address provided. Otherwise, please continue to watch for a bit more detail. So firstly, looking at the UK gas system in a bit more detail, the line pack is currently forecast to close just 6 MCM short. Demand is a touch lower today than we saw it yesterday, but with pipeline flows at Bacton Steel still being affected by an unplanned outage, we're seeing that supply a little bit tight, but the Teesside outage has ended now. LNG send out is still in the mid-30s, but storage withdrawal nominations are still muted at under 12 MCM for today. But we've got decent IUK imports at around 20 MCM thanks to a lower continental premium of around 2 pence per therm on within day contracts. So looking at the UK power system, it's a similar picture to the last few days really. Wind generation's picked up a bit to 800 megawatts, but that could double by the time we get to the peak hours this afternoon. CCGT and coal still making up around 70% of the stack combined, while IUK imports are at maximum capacity ahead of the French interconnector maintenance next week. All this means that our peak margins this afternoon are forecast at around about 10.5 gigawatts. That's around a gig up from where we were this time yesterday. Elsewhere in the news, I mentioned the Russian energy minister has agreed to sit down with Ukraine and EU officials on Friday. That's to hash out a new agreement following the winter deal, which is coming to an end on the 31st of March. Meanwhile, Turkey has been pushing ahead with plans for a new pipeline for Azeri gas to reduce their dependence on Russian gas. But at the same time, Vladimir Putin's pushing ahead with plans for a new pipeline through Turkey to supply Europe in a bid to kind of improve the reliability of their supply to their European partners. And finally, today is budget day in the UK, so we're expecting potentially some better tax allowances and a new online income statement to do your tax returns, but watch out for any new energy policies that might be announced as well. That's it for today, and we'll speak to you again tomorrow.